People in Domboshawa, a rock area about an hour drive northeast of Harare, are mobilizing against a Chinese company's move to open a quarry mine here. This 70-year-old woman says the proposed project by Anhua Jiang Company will damage the sanctity of this area, which she says has sacred caves, springs and snakes.
The Chinese are the money monkers of the Zimbabweans, because when they monk them, they take the riches here, they take it to China. They don't develop our places, so we don't need them here. Seriously, with a deeper heart, with a deeper mind, seriously, we are disappointed. We said no and no, and that is malculcated no. But I'm just standing for the unborn children of this inheritance and for this legacy.
Energy Mutodi, the area's representative in parliament and deputy information minister, also opposes the planned quarry project. He denies his position on the issue goes against President Emmerson Mnangagwa's mantra that Zimbabwe is open for business.
It's open to business, but not business that is going to affect our environment. To develop, yes, but let our environment remain intact. We cannot have a situation where people come here, mine and take away the proceeds.
Mutodi added that the Chinese company promised to create 500 local jobs, but so far has advertised only 40 jobs for the $500 million project. The Chinese embassy in Harare refused to comment on the issue, saying it was not a Beijing project. At a meeting with the villagers, a Anhua Jiang representative denied that the 33-hectare project would displace thousands of local residents.
People took the wrong information from whoever they listened to. No one is going to be displaced. This project is not going to affect, even a grave is not going to be moved. But there's a misconception of saying 20,000 people are going to be removed. We propose that the graves will be fenced. There's a water well, a spring which is just above the gravesite. We also propose that water well will be fenced too.
Zimbabwe's Environmental Management Agency is expected to make the final decision on whether the Chinese company can go ahead with its planned quarry mining project here. Columbus Mavunga for VOA News, Harare.